Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your graphing calculator to multiply matrices. So if I look at my matrices, I have matrix A, which is 2 by 2, matrix B, which is 2 by 2, and in order to actually get a product here, there's a couple of things you have to understand. The number of columns in the first matrix, in this case A, has to match the number of rows in the second matrix B. So this diagonal, or for whichever order you're going to multiply by, these two numbers have to match. And then your answer will have dimensions these other two numbers. So the answer will be 2 by 2. And the reason this matters is matrix multiplication is not commutative. In other words, if we found the product A times B in that order, we would very likely, or we should expect, to get a different answer than if we had done B times A in that order. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. All right, but if I do want to multiply these, this 2 here matches this 2 here. All right, so this dimension and this dimension have to match, and they do. So if I want to multiply these, I can just exit out of here and then call them by name. Matrix A times matrix B, and that product is 5, negative 7, 15, negative 11. And just to show you, in case you weren't convinced that matrix multiplication really is not commutative, I'm going to do the same product but in the opposite order, and I will get a completely different matrix. All right, so not the same. So matrix multiplication is not commutative, and in order to get an actual product, certain things have to be true about the dimensions.